YouTube? Faith, and we back with another video. Now today we got a low taper. Now like the video if you haven't already, and comment down below, rate the haircut, and subscribe. Now I started off with a 1.5 to see how low could I go with the hair, and the lowest we went was we went with a 1 guard open as the desired length on top. Now we're going in with our ball guideline and just simply ball down underneath. Then go in with your lever open. And now we're gonna close that lever up halfway to go ahead and take out our first guideline. And we're just gonna close it up all the way up. And then that'll be the end to that one. And we're just gonna go in with our 1 guard open and just, blend into the tape. Now I'm going in halfway close with my 1 guard, and we're just gonna close it fully up. And now I'm taking my half guard and blending up into the taper. So I'm gonna be opening up my lever as I go up. Just take it tick by tick and make sure you catch all the hairs that are, just messing up the blend. Mainly these look like dark spots in the blend, so those are what you want to attack with the corners of your blade and just lightly flick at them as well. I'm gonna grab that 1.5 and repeat the same steps. For the back, it's the same steps as the side taper, so you just have more room to work with, so therefore you can make probably your guidelines even bigger depending on the person's neck. And now we're starting on the nape line. On this side, I start with the straightaway and then work myself up to the curve over the top of the ear to the front taper. Also, don't be afraid to line up the area more than once. It's okay to line it up more than once because you want to perfect the lineup. It's, gotta look crispy. So go ahead and just take the time to line it up more than once to, get that final touch on it. And now we're taking down the front edge up with the one guard open. Now when lining up, I start in the middle and then work my way to either side. It don't matter which one you go to. It's your own preference, you know. But make sure for the liner prep, I use alcohol to clean the hair and skin. And then I use holding spray to dry it out. So therefore all the hairs are in place. Now to start the C-cup, you use the trimmer corner of your blade and then just go in a C-like motion following on down. And now we're going in with our enhancements. The one I'm using currently is from your favorite barber. This is the black one. Now, when doing enhancements, make sure you use them according to that person's, like the thickness of their hair. So spray it accordingly, to make it more look so natural than just enhanced. And now we're adding brown magic pencil to the lineup. Well, more so, I like to add it to the vertical bars and C-cups. That's just my own personal signature to a cut. So therefore, people know it's my cut. Now I'm lining up again to pretty much just perfect this lineup and, just put that little cherry on top touch to it. Now, if you ain't like the video, you ain't like the video. Are you just watching it? I figured. But go ahead and like the video still though. I need to go ahead and like the video. I need that. And now we're using that razor to just sharpen the cut up even more, and this will be the final touch to it. is the before. Now once we complete this 360, you know it's gonna be a literal 360. If they found this is the after the chop, man, tell me what y'all think about this one in the comments. Like the video if you haven't already. Rate the haircut down, down in the comments 1 through 10. And go ahead and get your boy to 1,000 on IG. I've been trying to get to 1,000, but it just ain't been happening. I've been stuck in like 19, 20. I said 19, 20. But yeah, just, go ahead and get your boy to 1,000 for me. It's up in that upper left corner. And Fave fam, we out with this one. I hope y'all like this cut. Peace.